From Ptuj, Slovenia. It's actually the oldest town in Slovenia. And we represent our local NGO called Povod. This is our logo.
Yeah,
very
important.
here.
Smile.
Here are some projects we did in the past. You can read. Or the biggest project is actually Street Festival, Ptuj Odprto Mesto, Ptuj Open City. This is why our organization was founded, so we can do this festival. And then we proceeded with youth exchanges, youth initiatives. We also have a long-term program supported by the European Union to develop street animation in Southeast Europe. It was called Creativity Encourages Active Participation. It was finished this year. Actually, they have an evaluation now in Ptuj. So, yeah. I don't know. We can proceed with it. Yeah.
Actually, what is Povod? It's a mind recreation society. It's a non-profit organization, non-governmental, non-political private organization. It was founded in year 2001 by a group of young enthusiastic people. They are all from Ptuj, and they wanted to do something for Ptuj and for local society.
What we do. Like I said, different projects. We are actually engaged in development and promotion of culture, giving special attention to youth, cultural and educational projects. And this year, okay, this is an old presentation. This year it was the fifth year that we organized Ptuj Festival, Ptuj Open City. Goals of our organization, our general goal is to bring up responsible, honest citizens and spiritually matured characters. And the basic goals?
To qualify the young people for a responsible life, so that with the help of co-workers and animators in the Povod organization, they detect the values in their lives and realize them. They detect their abilities by means as which they set their vital goals and from a healthy relationship to humans and natural assets.
Our pedagogic work derives from the concrete situation encountered when being in a company with adolescents every day. We actually do a lot on the street work and non-formal education. Animators, we are students, volunteers usually, and we decide to take part in these animation projects in our spare time, and we also go to seminars, intercultural exchanges.
We are all volunteers. We are mostly students, and we are studying human process.
From the volunteers we expect a great deal of tolerance, strength of character, a clear personal belief of values, to be communicative and to have experience in working with people. But you can actually get it also for being a volunteer. Priorities and values. Tensions. By selection, their own field of action, the Povod organization started a new chapter in Slovenian education of social and cultural operations. They are focused on working with young people on the streets, regional, territorial prevention and processes of motivating young people. This course of action includes immediate work on the streets and a contact with young people in their everyday environment on the street, like Ptuj Open City.